Today we will be showing you how to take a pH measurement of a soil sample. For this you will require a pH meter, double junction pH electrode, ATC probe, 3 beakers, and a scoop or a spoon. To start, you will need to prepare 3 samples of your soil. You will want to take 3 beakers and fill them with approximately 50 milliliters of soil. You will then want to add at least 50 milliliters of water to create a 1-to-1 mixture. You will then need to mix the samples. In this case, we are just using a plastic spoon to stir them, but a stir rod or other suitable tool would also be acceptable. Another option for stirring your samples would be to use a stir plate and stir bar, but if this is not readily available, the method that we have shown here will work. Once all the samples have been stirred, you will then require your pH meter, double junction electrode, and ATC probe. Make sure that the meter and electrode are properly calibrated in accordance with the procedure listed in the meter's manual. For time purposes, the pH meter and electrode being used have already been calibrated. Take the pH electrode and ATC probe and place them in the first soil sample. Allow the reading to stabilize and record this reading. You will then follow the same procedure for your next 2 samples. After you have done this, you will then take the average of the 3 readings in order to get a value for the pH of your soil. Although we have not shown it here, be sure to clean off your probe after taking measurements of these samples to allow for future use. You now have a value for the pH of your soil.